For sure, all of you want to search for some amazing done for you and ready to use prompts to turn your photos to beautiful portraits just in few seconds. So in this video, I'm gonna show you not only these prompts, how you can get all of them, but also how you can make money from these prompts smartly and professionally. So follow me in this tutorial step by step and trick by trick. So now let's get started by going to some websites and resources how you can get these stunning prompts ready to use. So the first website for sure is about nanobananaprompt.xyz. Here you can find this amazing website packed with stunning prompts here to turn your photos to magazine level photos as you see. So here you can actually use these prompts plug and play to turn any photo of your friends or of yourself to beautiful portraits as you see, as if you are using a studio or a photographer or something else like these results. Perfect. So of course here you can find these prompts ready for you just by copying this prompt and use in Nano directly. So for example here I can try something like this one, okay, this classroom effect or the monochromatic minimal elegant or something. So I can try this one, okay, studio photography, copy this prompt, and we can head over to Google Gemini, this one, like paste and upload your image, your photo, okay, this lady, and just in few seconds here you can find this splendid result from Nano Banana set. As you see, amazing portrait with different columns. Perfect, isn't it? Awesome. So the first website tip to get these amazing prompts is nanobananaprompt.xyz. And the second website for sure is bananaprompts.org. You can find amazing and awesome prompts here, like this one, this one, this one, as you see. And for exploring more prompts here, like these postures and lighting studio and so on. Amazing prompts here you can use to make your own photo more professional as you've taken on studio and by professional photographer and so on. Perfect, isn't it? Amazing. So these websites you can leverage to use these prompts for your own purpose. And the third way here, I just give you down below in the first comment and description box a full PDF that contains huge amounts. It contains amazing and tested prompts to turn your photo to beautiful portrait. So for example, here I can go to my own these photos. Here you can find this prompt to upscale your image to make it high quality just in few seconds. Here just uploaded this image, okay, this blurred, some sort of blurred. And just by going and using this prompt, it gives me this amazing result as you see. Awesome, isn't it? And PDF also contains this one, my photo, and with this prompt gives me this result. And the second prompt, classroom effect, like this. Okay, and the third, in a motion blur effect. Okay, and the third, the selfie one, like this. It's awesome result. Roll and aesthetic, and use this lady photo to beautiful result as you see. Okay, awesome. And I tried again and this one in this motion blur effect like this. Okay, and of course I just said earlier you can find all these prompts gathered in one PDF down below in the first comment and description box. So here you can use all these prompts for your own purpose or for a funny way or something. But how you can use these prompts, Raymond, to make online professionally and smart? Of course, at the beginning of 2024, here you can find an amazing digital product evolve AI era, that is the prompt library or a pack of prompts. So for sure, you can find many people around you need this prompts to use in their own purposes. personally or commercially. So here you can actually just pack these prompts in a one PDF and sell them as a digital product. Heads up, here you can find some amazing tricks that you've got to know and follow to make your own digital product more professional and unique from others. The first one, don't actually provide this promise like raw promise in this raw form. So you've got to actually make this digital product for specific audience to solve a specific problem. For sure, these prompts did by some people around you, like some influencers from content creators, and who don't have any time to edit and errors and trials. They want to generate high quality portraits without going to a studio or using a photo shoot and something like that. Here you can find and a solution for them to this specific person, to this specific audience, the influencers, content creators, and so on. And the second audience you can target for sure is people who are visiting LinkedIn. Either they are job appliers or the goers there. They need also these portraits and these high quality portraits in their profiles and these CVs and so on. And for sure, we can find many people need these prompts. So when you reposition your digital product, just you can mention a solution for this specific people. Don't launch your digital product as a general solution for general problems and so on. Just you can tailor this digital item for specific target audience and to solve a specific problem. And second trick, don't actually make the title and the dominant title of your own digital product that is AI Nano Panel Promise. It's wrong. Just you can make these alternatives like the AI Studio Quality Portraits in this prompt pack, or use this plug and play promise to turn your face into magazine level portraits and something like that. And of course, you can find these examples in the attached PDF. And trick number 4, you don't have to actually to just give people these promise like in one by one in one sheet or one PDF. You've got to actually make packaging and right packaging of your digital item to make it high valuable for your audience and for your buyers. So how you can do that, Riemann? Simply just you can gather some files inside your own digital product or bundle some of these files. Like the first file is the instructions how you can use these prompts. Like you can copy this prompt and paste on Gemini and select it Nano Panel or the create images feature, then done. Of course, around you, most people don't know how you can use these prompts or how you can use Gemini and so on. Actually, do that to make your own digital product more valuable than you can think. File number 2, like you can give templates. Your prompts to be a template with some variables, like the person that you can just change the race, like Asian, African, European, and so on. So you can turn these prompts like as templates, so anyone can change these variables in between brackets to get his stunning result. And the file number 3, for example, like examples before and after using these prompts. Like this one, here you can actually this prompt turn this photo to this amazing portrait. That's it. And of course, you can do this amazing effect here using canva.com in simple way. Here you can go to Canva and for sure like this, and then set your result like that, and in this bottom right corner you can insert this photo or this original person. So how you can do that, Riemann? Simply you can actually get from this element the frame section and get this circular one and insert your photo inside, and behind that insert your circle that colored white, black, and so on according to the main color of this photo. So that way you can actually turn your prompts not only or normal prompt pack or digital product. And of course, you can find down below in the first comment and description box a great file of the instructions how you can repackage and package your own digital item like a professional. You can find this file completely for free down below the first comment and description box. So that way you can gather and make your own digital item just from these simple prompts. And afterwards, how you can promote this digital item. Of course, you can actually upload this bundle or this digital item on Gumroad because it's AI built visitors who are looking for amazing prompts to turn this photo to portraits and so on, nano pen prompts and so on. Thus, if you want to actually get some eyes from marketplace or from discovery pages, and you can promote this item also on different platforms that depend on the visual effect or visual intent like Instagram, Pinterest, or something x.com. So for sure, just to give you down below for people who are interested in that, how you can promote these type and these such digital items. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.